You're in the produce aisle, faced with a decision you've made 100 times before. On one side, the vibrant deep purple of the red onion. On the other, the crisp, clean-looking white onion. You grab one, toss it in your cart, and move on. But what if I told you that simple choice has a bigger impact on your meals and even your health than you ever imagined? It's the ultimate culinary face-off. Red onion or white onion? Which one should you really be eating? Most people think they're basically the same, just with a different colored skin. A simple aesthetic choice. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is, these two members of the allium family are worlds apart, with real, measurable differences in their fundamental chemistry. These differences dictate their flavor profile, their nutritional content, how they behave in the pan, and the unique health benefits they can offer. One is sharp, pungent, and aggressive when raw, while the other offers a cleaner, milder bite. One holds up to the searing heat of a grill, while the other melts into a sweet, jammy perfection when caramelized. Using the wrong one can turn a perfect dish into a culinary disappointment. So today, on Consumer's Choice Top 5, we're peeling back the layers on this kitchen staple. We're not just talking opinions. We're breaking down the surprising facts, the hidden differences, and the real science behind red and white onions. We'll explore the chemistry that gives them their color and taste, and put them head-to-head in a nutritional showdown to see which one is the true superfood. We'll even run them through a series of cooking tests, from sautéing to grilling, to give you a definitive guide on how each one performs under pressure. By the end of this video, you'll be an onion expert. You'll know exactly which one to choose for the crunchiest salads, the most flavorful burgers, and the sweetest caramelized toppings. And we'll reveal which of these two is secretly the healthier choice, packed with more of the compounds your body loves. You'll never look at that pile of onions in the grocery store the same way again. Ready to transform your cooking? Before we jump in, do us a favor and smash that like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive, and share this video with a friend who loves to cook. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with something obvious, the color, because it's not just cosmetic. Red onion. Deep purple or reddish skin. Purple-white layered flesh. Color comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants. White onion. Bright white skin. More translucent flesh. Lower in anthocyanins but often stronger in sulfur compounds. Here's the cool part. Red onions literally get their color from the same compounds found in blueberries and red cabbage. These pigments may help reduce inflammation and support heart health. So yes, the color actually means something. Alright, let's get to the heart of it. Now we talk taste, because this is the battleground where culinary victories are won and lost. Picking the right onion isn't just a suggestion, it's a strategic move that can elevate a dish from good to unforgettable. Get it wrong, and you risk overpowering delicate flavors, or worse, adding a bland note where you needed a punch. So, let's break down the flavor profiles to make sure you're always making the winning choice. First up, the red onion. Think of it as the sophisticated, milder cousin in the onion family. Its flavor is less pungent, with a crisp texture and a whisper of sweetness. This is because it has a lower concentration of those sharp sulfur compounds that give other onions their aggressive bite. That makes it the undisputed champion of raw applications. It's designed to complement, not conquer. That's why it's perfect for salads, where it adds a zesty crunch without overwhelming the greens. It's the ideal choice for sandwiches and burgers, providing a fresh, sharp counterpoint to rich meats and cheeses. And you can't have authentic pico de gallo or guacamole without it. Its mildness is its strength, adding flavor and that beautiful color without stealing the show. Now, let's turn to the powerhouse, the white onion. This is your go-to for a bold, classic onion flavor. When raw, it's significantly sharper and more pungent than a red onion, with a clean, assertive sulfur bite that really announces its presence. This is the onion that brings the heat and the quintessential oniony kick that forms the backbone of so many cuisines, especially Mexican and Southwestern dishes. But here's where the magic happens: cooking. While a red onion can lose its flavor and color with prolonged heat, a white onion transforms. The heat tames its sharp pungency, breaking down its complex sugars and turning it wonderfully sweet, savory, and tender. This makes it the undisputed king of the cooked dish. It's perfect for building a flavor base in stir-fries, soups, and stews. It excels when sautéed, grilled, or roasted, developing a deep, rich caramelization that adds incredible depth. So here's the pro secret. Red onions are for dishes where you want a fresh, crisp, and mild onion bite. Think raw. White onions are for dishes where you want a deep, sweet, and savory onion foundation. Think cooked. Using them correctly is the key to unlocking their true potential. Both onions are healthy, but they offer different benefits. Red onions, health highlights. Higher in antioxidants, anthocyanins, and quercetin. Better for heart health. May help reduce inflammation. Contains sulfur compounds linked to immune support. White onions, health highlights. Slightly lower calories. Higher water content. Stronger antibacterial properties. Great for gut health and digestion. Studies show red onions deliver more antioxidant power, while white onions have stronger flavor compounds linked to antibacterial effects. So the healthiest onion depends on what benefit you want. Now for the part every home cook needs. Which onion performs better in the kitchen? We're putting them head-to-head in a series of culinary challenges to see which one truly deserves a spot on your cutting board. We'll test them raw, sautéed, roasted, grilled, caramelized, and even pickled. It's the ultimate onion showdown, and the results might just change the way you cook. Let's get into it. First up, raw applications. For salads, sandwiches, and fresh garnishes, the clear winner is the red onion. Its flavor is milder and less pungent than a white onion's, offering a hint of sweetness that complements other ingredients instead of bulldozing them. That crisp, firm texture adds a satisfying crunch, and let's be honest, its stunning ruby and violet hues make any dish look instantly more appetizing. It's the perfect choice when you want that oniony bite without the aggressive heat. But when the heat is on, the tables turn. For hot cooking applications like sautéing, roasting, and grilling, the white onion takes the crown. Its higher sulfur content, which makes it pungent when raw, transforms under heat. It mellows out and develops a profound, savory sweetness that forms the backbone of countless recipes. It holds its shape well enough not to turn to mush, but softens beautifully, releasing its flavor into soups, stews, and stir-fries. This is why it's a non-negotiable staple in cuisines like Mexican and many Asian traditions, where it builds a deep, aromatic flavor base. What about caramelizing? This one is a bit more nuanced. The winner is the white onion, but both can work in a pinch. White onions have a higher sugar content and a sturdier structure, allowing them to brown more quickly and develop that classic deep, rich, jammy sweetness. Red onions will also soften and sweeten, but they tend to take longer and can sometimes lose their vibrant color, turning a bit grayish. For that perfect French onion soup or burger topping, stick with white. Finally, let's talk pickling. Here, the red onion is the undisputed champion. There's simply no contest. When submerged in an acidic brine, those anthocyanin pigments that give the red onion its color perform a magic trick, transforming into a brilliant electric pink. Not only do they look incredible, but their crisp texture holds up perfectly, creating a tangy, crunchy condiment that elevates everything from tacos to avocado toast. The combination of stunning color and fantastic flavor makes red onions born to be pickled. So the verdict is in. It's not about one being better, but about using the right tool for the job. Use red for its fresh, crisp texture and visual appeal in raw and cold dishes. And reach for white when you need a powerful, sweet, and savory flavor foundation for your cooked meals. Here's a difference most people never think about. Storage. Red onions, shorter shelf life, more moisture, last 2 to 3 months in a cool, dark place. White onions, longer shelf life, drier and firmer, last 3 to 4 months. Store-cut onions in airtight containers, use within 1 week. If you shop in bulk or cook a lot, white onions last longer and hold up better. Red onions need a bit more love and faster use. Depending on where you live, red onions often cost a little more, not because they're healthier, but because they're less common and take longer to grow. Quick breakdown. White onions is cheaper and more widely used. Red onions is slightly more expensive due to lower supply. Alright, Let's answer the big question. Choose red onion if you want better nutrition. Milder flavor, beautiful color, perfect raw toppings, amazing pickles. Choose white onion. If you want stronger flavor, best for cooking, sweeter when caramelized, longer shelf life, cheaper option. At the end of the day, neither onion is wrong. You just need the right onion for the right job. And before you go, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5 for more insightful content, and be sure to share it with friends and relatives. They'll thank you later. We've got new videos every week packed with value, insight, and surprises, so stick around. Your next favorite tip is just one click away. Comment below. Are you Team Red Onion or Team White Onion? Thanks for watching Consumer's Choice Top 5, where we help you make smarter choices every single week.